Alright, we're back on the gem and mineral trail again. Okay, this is just east of Roswell, New Mexico, and you have the road cuttings right here. I've got everything set up. I finally got the splash plates put on, and kind of let me show you how I did that. So I got a 2x4 here and a 2x4 here that I cut about 13 inches high, and then get this out. I notched that right there so that it fits in these 2x4s, and I went ahead and I screwed those plates onto this. Now I will go ahead and polyurethane all this so that it'll waterproof it. That just slides right down there. Okay, on my bucket, what I did was I cemented in a valve right here and have this wire. So I'll fill up the bucket with the water and then go ahead and put my hose here and run it so that I got water on it. Okay. So we're getting real close to getting things started. I wanted to show you the final work that I did on this. I've got my sticks, and so we're going to go ahead and cut these and that. I've got the wax heating up, and that we'll go look at that, and that way once we get some stones, we'll test it out here today so you guys can see how well this works. Alright, keep watching, let's get going. Alright, we got it running. Here's our, whoa! Our water hose is up there, and I just sanded the water hose. I need to be careful, I put it in too far. I'm going to get some tape. So I put a little tape up here to hold my water hose right there. Let's go ahead, turn it down, and check it out. I got my 3 stones. Put them over here. And let's turn on the water. Here it comes. Getting the air bubbles out. Okay, to show you what I did was I got a milk cart, turned it upside down, and that way I could get my water up higher, and I cut my hose much shorter. I cut it in half, and it will reach here to over there, and I can keep my water right there. Alright, now let's get it started to see. Got it running. Let's test out the water. There it goes. Okay. Gotta get my watch off. a little bit slow. I have it on the middle one. See? And it's starting to take the sandpaper off here. So let's go ahead and turn it off. Alright, you see how the sandpaper is coming off of the drum? This is an expandable drum. The light's not very good there. Okay, and if it goes fast enough, it will expand out and hold that paper on there. So we need to go ahead, go around behind and adjust our pulley. And it looks like our pulley's a little bit loose too. So, alright, as you can see, there's 1, 2, and 3 kind of dark there. Let me get a flashlight. And I can adjust this to move it over for that longer one right there. Well, it's a little bit noisier. Not sure why. Check it out. We have it readjusted. Pull this out. Let's go ahead and try it on out. Spinning faster. You hear it slowing down? Alright, the sandpaper's staying on. Maybe we'll get a little bit of sanding. Getting it down here. Let's adjust the water, get a little more water on there. It's important to use all aspects of the surface, not just one area. Otherwise you're going to wear a hole in your sandpaper real quick. Okay, let's take a look at it. This is a green tree agate. And I'm getting the bottom down here a little bit sanded. Got the side going pretty good. We got the big chunk over here that needs to be taken down. So we'll continue to work on it, and I'll show you in a little bit when we have it done.